Hello students. So in this video we are going to see how to evaluate integration, definite integration by using the formulas and also different methods or properties of definite integration which we can use. Very basic, which we are going to use in physics. Okay. So let us take first. So first is that if there is a integration of function with respect to x which is made up of sum of two functions, let us say f of x plus g of x, or it can be minus also. Okay, so you can separate it. We can separate f of x dx, we can separate plus minus whatever sign will be there, then you can separately integrate gx. Okay, that means each term can be split right into two terms, or each integration, this big integration, can be split into small integrations. Okay, then let's take second. If there is any constant multiplied, let's say some constant is multiplied with some function f of x dx, then this constant can be taken out. Okay, I think this we have seen during some formulas. Constant can be taken out of the integration, right? This constant will come out, just like in differentiation the constant comes out, same way the constant will also come out here. Okay, right, like this we can do. Then let's take another properties. Another property is like when there is let us say multiplication of two functions, which you can say as product rule. Okay, let's say there is a function u into v. Okay, dx. U and v both are functions of x. U you can write as first function, and v you can write as second function. Now how to decide which one will be first and second? That is based on Eilert rule. I-L-A-T-E. Okay, so what is I? I is inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. Okay, L is for logarithmic function. A is for algebraic function, and T is trigonometric, right, and E is exponential. So what you have to do is you need to check this order. First, inverse function should be given first priority. Okay, then logarithmic function second, algebraic third, trigonometric fourth, exponential fifth, or the last. Okay, this is how we are going to take this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the order in which we are going to take them. Okay, so first of all you have to do like this. First you have to label first and second. After that, what is the formula? So the formula will be, you have to leave first and you have to integrate second. Okay, next there will be another integration where you have to differentiate the first function with respect to x, and whatever you have done the integration, that you have to keep, and this whole thing you are integrating with respect to x. Okay, so this you have to note that first function you have to leave. First function you are leaving. Second function is coming as integration, right? Then you have to give integration. Inside integration you have to differentiate first function. Okay, and second function which you have integrated here, the whole thing is coming here, and then the whole thing is integrated again. Okay, so this formula is important to solve multiple products of two functions. This is also known as integration by parts. We can do this. Okay, we will take some example. Let's take one example for integration by parts. Suppose you have to do integration of x sine x dx. Okay, how will you do this? So here trigonometric function, sine x is trigonometric, x is algebraic function. So lat, lat. First you have to consider this one. This is the first function, right? And this will be the second function, correct? So if you are going to do that, you apply the formula. First you need to leave, x. You need to leave x. You have to integrate sine x. Okay. Minus, you have to differentiate x with respect to x, and whatever integration of sine x dx you have done, that whole thing you have to again integrate. So this will come, sine x integration now is, sine x integration is minus cos x, correct? Because cos x differentiation is, and this is basic formula, you remember it. Okay, minus dx integration is 1. Sin x integration is again minus cos x. So minus will become cos x. So it will become cos x dx. And then cos x integration will become sin x. So x cos x plus sin x. This is how you have to do that. This is the answer. Okay. So like this you can perform integration, right? If the limits are there, then you can substitute the limits, right? This is how, these are mathematical tools, very important, okay, to solve advanced level of question. Even in mains, some basic formulas will be useful, right? Okay, then we'll see.